There's a whole section dedicated to Easter. Some gorgeous things though. A lot of Easter eggs as well. They'll soon sell out, won't they? Some nice things for the garden. Bird feeders. These are quite nice. Oh, I like that one. £4. I mean, that is a bargain, isn't it? What a lovely present. £4. It's nice with a robin. Oh, little beach hut. I like that one too. Oh, that's cute. Little police box. I like those. £5 those are. Aren't they nice presents? And that's gorgeous as well. I like that. A little caravan. Can't go wrong with those prices. I mean, you couldn't make it for that, could you? My favourite aisle with all the cups. Plates. These are nice for the garden, aren't they? Put your dips in. £2.50. Napkins and things. Board. It's quite nice, like a charcuterie board. Little tray there, little pop any bits and pieces in. That's quite nice. Cinnamon bun mug. Oh, that is nice. I like mugs. So look at the little plate. Oh, can't get that one out. £3.50 with the bows. Popular, aren't they, bows, since Christmas with all the different things for the tree. Lots of bows people were using. And things now with plates and things with bows on are popular all year round. Not just Christmas. These are cute. I like these tea towels. £2.50. These are nice. Pack of 2. Daisy ones. £4. These are quite nice. Oven gloves there, matching oven gloves. £5. It's quite nice as well. The only thing with those is